Today, we're here to talk about strippers. Mainly, what's your favorite kind of stripper? Probably a lot of you are familiar with this stripper. Some of you like mechanical strippers. Some of you are into that thick shit. And you use a stripper like this. Well, I kind of made a career using this as a stripper. But more important than stripping is also joining. Once you strip, how are you going to join? Many of you think this is how you join. Some of you think these little shrinky dinks are the way you join. And still others will claim this or the Wagyu steak connectors are the way to join. Leave a comment. How do you strip and join wire? Let me know.